Hello, everybody, and welcome to NeilRodriguez.com, hosted by yours truly. Here we have Matt Mullenweg, okay? This is the creator of WordPress. Basically, you don't know what that means. He's Morgan Freeman in Dark Knight with like 1,000 computer monitors surrounding him. Right? Every time you hit your keyboard, it takes your blood pressure, your pulse rate. Do not get him mad because he'll pull the plug on every single WordPress blog. All right, and turn the internet into an Atari 2600.
That's not a feature, not a feature.
I can imagine it. If it is, he keeps it under the wraps. And believe me, all you'll have is Pac-Man and Space Invaders. That's it. No Donkey Kong. None of those new things. No Wii Fit for your bulldog doing spins and going viral on YouTube. None of that. All right. He had a great session today. It was speeding up the mature web apps, correct?
The moral philosophy of web performance.
The moral philosophy of web performance, right? This is the Socrates of web performance. All right, he'll take a high school football player type WordPress blog and turn it into the next Reggie Bush.
I gotta take this guy everywhere I go. It's like a hype man.
Yeah, no, definitely. I'll talk you up higher than the Swarovski star on top of the Rockefeller Center Christmas tree. Okay, so can you give us a recap on what you discussed, Matt?
Sure. So in the beginning, I went through some tech details about basically rules and commandments, as they're called, to improve the performance of your website. So to make it just appear faster for you. And then I told some stories about some things we found, like some bottlenecks we ran into and how we solved them, while scaling WordPress.com, and then tried to end it with the idea of the moral reasons, the philosophy behind why things should be faster, which is that it shows respect for a user's time.
Okay, no, definitely. I mean, you definitely don't want to wait until another nose hair, another ear hair grows out of your ear, until for your website to load up or anything to that effect. You definitely want it to be fast because, especially if you're into website marketing, you want to get as many people into your site as possible because you know that people they'll leave your site if it takes too long to load. So, can you get into the specifics of like what were some of those commandments that people have to follow?
Well, it's technical, like have fewer objects on your page. Use a content delivery network. Don't use e-tags. There's actually 14 of them, and I pulled them actually from a book by Steve Souders. He's he was the chief performance guy at Yahoo, and now the chief performance guy at Google. He's amazing at this stuff, and he has two amazing books. The first one is called High Performance Websites.
High Performance Websites, and what's the second book?
I think Even Faster Websites.
Even Faster Websites? All right, did you already discuss this on your blog?
Not yet, but I'll post something there. My blog is ma.tt.
Yeah, it's definitely very hard to forget unless you're popping like 20 ginkgo bilobas a day because you got Alzheimer's and to that effect. But no, definitely. No, I definitely thank you for your presentation that you gave us over here today. Any closing thoughts for our viewers?
No, I think that, remember, as the amount of stuff on the internet increases and as you're doing more and more content, time is the only finite thing. So the faster you can make everything you do, and the more you can filter, the simpler you can make things, more respect it shows for users, and the more they respect you. Right.
I mean, and just based on what I do, I know that a faster performance time also helps you, like your search engine optimization. If you got your bots crawling more content. All right, definitely don't want them to get carpal tunnel syndrome, trying to load up your site every single time they pay a visit. So here we are at Web 2.0, closing for Matt Mullenweg. Web 2.0, the Geneva Convention of the social space. I thank you for watching. My name is Neil Rodriguez. Until next time.